make some cacao tea. Usually it's for cacao ceremony. You can use it's really good to open the heart and also flourish your creativity. So what I'm doing, the quantity can vary, right? You can start, if you're not used to cacao, start with an ounce, 1 ounce per person and 10 ounces of water. Né? And if you not have sensitivity or not pregnant, you can increase the dosage for 1.5 ounce of cacao for 10 ounces of water. So here I'm boiling I just put some water to boil, and I'm gonna add 1 pepper. This is Hawaiian pepper. I really prefer the cayenne if you have available, but here's the Hawaiian. And I'm gonna wait this to boil and add the cacao. It's very important to not let the cacao boil. As soon as this is boiling, you're gonna lower the heat and then add the cacao and some spices. Today I'm gonna add here some cinnamon from the farm. We harvest this, it's very fragrant. Some cardamom powders and some sugar from your preference. The cacao traditional is a little bit bitter, but you add from your preference the sugar. Can be coconut sugar or normal sugar. Né? So I'm gonna wait this boil and then add all these ingredients and then let simmer for about 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna blend everything and then it's ready to drink. Yeah. So there is an option to also just strain the nibs and drink, or you also can blend, right? So also this one is just the nibs, right? Using the nibs, cacao nibs. You also can use the actually chocolate bar. That is gonna be next video. So this, because I have here the roots, not the pounder, I decided to add in the water and boil a little more. In boil, so gonna release more the taste, right? This is a cinnamon and the cardamom. Okay, so this start to boil. I'm going to lower the heat and add the nibs. I'm gonna add as well some nutmeg. So if you're always using the spice pounder, I'm gonna be adding right now, right? Because I use the whole one, I put it to boil a little bit. So nutmeg. And some sugar. Sugar is by taste. You need to taste and see what's your preference. I think what I heard in Native America didn't add any sugar. It was just pure and bitter cacao. So this is gonna be cooking to 10 to 30. Can be cooked longer than 10 minutes. Very good. If you prefer, you can add some milk of your taste, coconut milk or more sugar or honey. And cheers. Very good. Not too spicy at all. Perfect. Wanna try it? And please subscribe it if you like this. Subscribe right now and give a thumbs up. Aloha.